I'm here recording a breakfast video, and I'm just gonna have fun and just play around. Earlier I got a quad feed, and I'm going to be posting that later because I need to get like an app on my phone that shows me that I can like show everything on my phone, like on my screen. Like I can just swipe, and then I could just show all my pictures because I took pictures. And now I just realized I should have recorded it. And I'm also sorry that I haven't been posting for a while. It's just because I had a lot of school and homework, soccer practice and everything. And so I'm sorry, and let's just get to it. Okay. I'm not sure what I should play. I do want to get, whatever you call it, what's it called? Going for my, KN44. I don't know what's, but, it's just really hard because I have to go through this, get 10 long shots with it. Get 50 kills with it. KN44 with no attachments. And then there's some other stuff. Yeah. So, oh, and I'm really happy my friend, Jafudolo. If you don't know him, you can check out his channel. I'll probably leave it in the description below. He, said he was gonna quit YouTube. He did for, a little bit. And then he came back. So, you should go check that out. I know I only have barely anybody watching, probably. But, yeah. If I keep making YouTube videos, I could probably get better and buy more equipment. I'm gonna use my tripod probably. Well, it's not mine, but it's my brother's, and I can probably use his mic because he got another one. He makes music. And, yeah. He just bought a different one. And so I have it in my room, but I need to set it up. So let's do some dancing. Have you guys ever seen that on the YouTube?
Search and destroy.
Let's do some dancing.
We will prevail.
Plan. Defend the objectives.
Okay. Sometimes I just mess around, but actually, I forgot to get long shots. Long shot is great.
Demolition destroyed.
Okay. Oh, what? He saw me? Oh, he has thermal. Oh, dang it, I forgot. Do a search and destroy. God, I have that memory. Oh, just annoying. He's still gonna get sound. Well, he's gonna get seen. Right there.
Your opponent killed.
Hey. Oh no.
Damn, shoot him, man.
You got low. We'll do that low. Maybe.
Dual new Mars. Okay.
We're out of time. Don't hold back.
Oh, he probably has suppressed, like that thing. Watch out. Oh, I got it. Don't shoot, oh, get that one down. He killed himself, oh my god. Yes!
Crush them.
He was a headshot, I got my skill.
In the next round.
Well, that didn't look like that. He got shot in the head once, but I just like, huh?
Switching operation ready point.
I think I have to press it on again.
Eliminate the objectives. Charges acquired.
Do some dancing. What? Bruh! Boy, are you terrible at the game? Oh my god. Okay, this is my last time to play this game. Dude, I can't believe I freaking died already. Oh my god. I'm terrible. I don't even oh my god, I didn't not grab wall right because I didn't know.
Bomb is
So
armed.
I'll just say. I should probably get that. Oh my god. Oh my god. Are you serious, bro? So I hate when this happens. I'm very quick and okay, good, it was not. Oh, that wasn't fair. Okay. Yeah. They all need to go in the middle. Well, it's not in the middle, but it puts the word bomb is.
Wow, Dave, you are sorry.
Again and let's go home.
You are a god, bro.
Didn't I mute my game? Mute, not mute.
Switching operation ready point.
Switching operation ready point.
Defend the objective. HCXD inbound.
There, I at least shot before I died, okay? I'm saying it's a complete accident. I have no idea what it is. I had no reason to do that. What? Kidding me? Oh my god.
Seriously,
That is bull. Oh, and our last guy is AFK, okay. Okay. This is nice.
quit feeling sorry for yourself. There's more work to do.
Oh my god.
Switching operation ready
We
point.
lost, but that was only because that guy quit.
Neutralize the objective.
No.
Bomb
I don't really
acquired.
like getting the bomb. If I do get the bomb, I usually do it like two because it's way easier.
Friendly HCXD inbound.
I just want to look this over it. Okay. This is bad graphics for the PS3. Oh, shit. Come on. Go! What? Oh my fucking gosh! Oh my god. Every time I have to die. I am fucking terrible. Oh my god.
Wet works.
I thought someone was following us, so I stopped and just turned around. And I got shot. Fucking nowhere. Beep, beep, beep.
Quit feeling sorry for
No.
yourself. There's more work to do.
We need 2 more, and then they need 2 more to win. Define. I don't think I played Zone last.
Switching operation ready
I
for
think I
you.
have it.
Defend the objectives.
Oh, I didn't know it was here. Okay, that's probably a bad idea. I'm gonna go back. If it doesn't lag and I don't die, that'd be great. What the fuck? Bullshit! Okay, I'm back and the game quit for some reason. Okay. I paused it because I didn't know if we were gonna go back and then it just didn't. Paused it. That's probably a fake here. This is a fake.
Ah, fucking worried about the fucking silence.
Bruh. Man, so long since last seen my caca. Means poop in Spanish. Did you know that? Because
Search and destroy.
I have a feeling you're gonna hear knocking on my door. Because my little brother sometimes he wants to come in, but he just knocks and gets mad. So, I'm trying to steal it. And I accidentally shot. I'm at the pot and like, just time to go away. Crap. I'm gonna wait for a minute, for a second. We're gonna go. Okay. Oh my gosh. Please, I'm supposed to leave. What? Thank you. Oh my god, what the fuck? What? What? What?
Stop it.
What?
Stop it. You're a ship right here.
What the
Right here, stop it.
fuck? He's Dark Matter.
Alright. I'm neutralized.
Ah, it's just the lag.
Regroup and
It's
go
the